Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel one more time. Oh god, I'm so happy to see you all. Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing really fine. You all are very welcome to my channel. So I just want to quickly say that if you like what you see so far, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also switch on that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So I'm very excited for today's video because it's a haul video, and who doesn't like haul videos? I personally love them. I like watching haul videos. I like seeing what someone else is buying from some other websites and all, and their reviews and their opinion about it. So I'm really excited about today's video. Today we are gonna talk about Ajio. Ajio, the website. I know it's kind of old website, but I haven't been really a Ajio shopper, and I have really shopped few items from them till now. So I just ordered for one pair of footwear, and then I thought I should give it a more try. So I got some more footwears, and that got delivered yesterday. I have two parcels from Ajio, so I thought this is the perfect time and perfect way to make a haul and also review their products. So I got footwear from Ajio, and this packages got delivered yesterday, and I was really holding myself back to open it. And I was really like, I really wanted to open them, but I was like, no, Ekta, you should not open it. Let's just wait and open them in front of the camera, because this is also going to be a first impression kind of a thing, and I'm gonna just open them in front of you. So I think without any further ado or delay, because I'm really excited to see what all I have got. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with this video. So I'm just gonna straight go and open these packages and see what all I have in here. So I'm gonna open them in front of you. I'll just fast forward this process because I don't want to Oh wow, guys, this looks like a very good quality. I'll throw this all down because that's just spoiling my frame. This is the first thing I got. These are plain basic flats, and I like using flats in day-to-day basis, and these are really nice. I just see myself wearing them a lot every day, and these are little blingy and nice coppery color, and I love this kind of pair of sleepers or flats, whatever you call it, and I love wearing them. I just got them for 300 rupees. Can you believe? This looks really good quality. I mean, if you can touch and feel this product, I'm really sure you're gonna like it. I'm gonna wear it, and I will also try and show you all how this looks on my feet. And so far, loving this pair. This came in a polythene bag, but I'm not so concerned about the packaging. But guys, I really wanted a good rainy sleepers, slip-on sliders, whatever you call it. I love pair of sliders. They have really good footwear, I must say, because this has not disappointed me at all. This has really not disappointed me at all. I'm so happy to be shopping from there, and I'm so happy I got this. I just can't wait to wear them. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow only. Tomorrow itself, I'm gonna wear this. These are by far my favorite, just because of their color. So happy. You can clearly see on my face. The next and the last one, which I got recently, I mean yesterday, in yesterday's order, the last product I got is this one. This one came in a decent box. So, and these are like heels, not really like 4-5 inches heels, but decent heels which I can wear on a regular basis, like even on my casual outfits. These are these white transparent heels. I hope these are comfortable. As long as for my eyes it looks good, quality is good, material is good. This is how it looks, and just have a look. There is this transparent thing. This thing is really in right now. Everyone is wearing transparent, and this goes with every kind of outfit basically. So that is why I wanted something like white and transparent so that it goes with every kind of outfit. And the quality is good, 2 inches heels, and really like the look of it also, but I just have to see how this looks on my feet. And that's about this, guys. This is the last pair which I ordered yesterday. So you have heels, you have sandals, flats, and you have sliders. You have seen it all, and I hope this helps you to buy something for yourself. I'm gonna mention the prices somewhere on the screen or in the description bar below. Quick update, I was trying out my footwears, and I tried out this one, and sadly this one doesn't fit me. This is in size small. I ordered everything in size 37, but I don't know why this doesn't fit me. So this is not fitting me. I surely have to return or exchange, but I really like the quality. So if you want to try, you can go ahead and get it, but try and size up in this one because this doesn't fit me. Even if it's 37, everything is in 37, everything fits me really well, but this one is not fitting me well. So if you're getting something in heels, I will suggest you all to size up a little bit. Thank you. Left, I have one more pair of footwear left, and that is, I called for sneakers. These are not in their boxes because I called them somewhere around a month back. When these came in, I was really impressed, and I thought I'm gonna shop more from Ajio, but I waited after that because then the lockdown happened, and I thought not necessary, it's not a requirement to shop at that moment. So as soon as the lockdown got over, I just shopped from their website again. So these are the pair of sneakers I got month back, and I really like this. Just look at the detailing. It has some metallic silverish blingy thing, some nude color, and like white and nice chunky sneakers. These are a little dirty because I wore them, and so sorry for that. So these are a little dirty, but these are the pair of sneakers I got, and I like this. I have worn them multiple times now in a month, so I know that they are very comfortable, and they are lightweight, not very heavy also. So these are the pair of sneakers I got, and I really like this, and that is why I thought of going ahead and shopping from their website. So far I have got all different kinds of all variety of footwear. If you want me to try more of a clothing items or anything else from their website, so just let me know. I'll try and share my review on those also if you all request me. So if you have any requests, tell me in the comment section below. Give me your video request. Tell me if you want me to try on their clothing items or their accessories. They have many more other things also, so I'll try and review those for you. But so far I'm loving all the footwears, and I hope guys you had so much fun watching this video unboxing with me. This package is first time ever in my life I have unboxed something on camera, and excitement, I couldn't contain my excitement. You could see that I was happy throughout, and I had so much fun shooting this in front of you. I really wish to do more and more such hauls in the future. If you really had fun and the excitement like me while watching this video, make sure you leave a comment down below, and also switch on that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Hope to see you all really soon, and keep making more and more videos. So do shower this channel with your support and love. Just give your support guys, so that I can make more videos, and I really want to do this. Just show your lots of love, show your love and support. All you have to do is just give a like, give your feedback in comments, and switch on notification. That's it. So I will see you all very soon. Just stay safe. Corona is still not gone. Stay safe, wear your masks, and sanitize your hands properly, and take care of yourself and your family. God bless you all. Bye. See you soon.